In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best golf divot tools that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Birdicorn, the 6-in-1 Golf Divot Tool. Although at first glance it appears fairly basic, the Birdicorn, the 6-in-1 Golf Divot Tool is the first and last repair tool you will ever need around the green. Made of durable CNC aluminum and colored gunmetal gray, this two-pronged tool can fix all ball marks or divots, and its lightweight design will never weigh you down as you play. The Birdicorn, the 6-in-1 tool includes a ball marker holder that enables your included ball marker to fit snugly into the tool, and its design leads to a number of other handy and quite unique functions. In addition to helping you repair ball marks, the Birdicorn, the 6-in-1 Golf Divot Tool can also be used as a ball line stencil, a putt alignment aid, a golf club groove cleaner. Number 2. Frogger Hop Magnetic Divot Repair Tool. The Frogger Hop Magnetic Divot Repair Tool / ball marker is a solid, U-shaped tool with two slightly raised prongs that give golfers the perfect angle for repairing their divots on the green. The back end of the Frogger tool is not only ergonomically perfect with a slot to hold the ball marker. Do you need a ball markers too? The entire golf tool is made from a high-gloss zinc alloy that is always guaranteed to shine. The package also includes a handy ball marker made of the same material. The Frogger Hop Magnetic Divot Repair Tool / ball marker is the perfect U-shaped groove club tool for the green, and once your playing partners see this tool. Number 3. Pitchfix Twister 2.0. With a rubberized body and a high-gloss ABS top, the Pitchfix Twister 2.0 is both strong and comfortable. Its patented 3-pin design allows golfers to literally twist up the depressed or compacted earth left by a ball mark, without disturbing any of the surrounding sod. The Pitchfix Twister 2.0 uses strong metal pins with a triangular top to penetrate the putting surface effortlessly, while also gently twisting the sod to bring it back to where it was. Available in 10 different colors, your Pitchfix Twister 2.0 can be customized to match your style and preferences, and its rubberized body feels comfortable in any pocket. Number 4. Pitchfix Fusion 2.5 Pin. One of the best sellers from the leaders in golf divot tool technology, the Pitchfix Fusion 2.5 Pin utilizes its patented pin technology to fix any type of ball mark on any type of green / putting surface. Lightweight and very soft to the touch, the Fusion is available in a variety of stylish color combinations, including gunmetal gray with blue accents. The Pitchfix Fusion 2.5 Pin was voted the best golf divot tool of 2017, following up their company's win in 2016 with their Pitchfix Twister 2.0. This newest offering features a switchblade-like opening function for easy access. Number 5. Pitchfix Divot Tool. The Pitchfix Divot Tool, the original offering from one of the most recognized manufacturers of greenside accessories, features a switchblade function that automatically opens the device, exposing a two-pronged tool that is ergonomically designed for best results. The handle of the soft Pitchfix Divot Tool, which fits easily into your pocket, is rubberized for comfort, and the lightweight aluminum prongs are made to withstand even the most difficult turf. The tool is available in 17 colors to match your personal preferences, and the removable logo marker, which attaches magnetically to the divot tool,